Yo, how is it going, ladies and gentlemen? Zilix here. Now, guys, today we are on Hatching Simulator 3, guys. There is yet again another banger update. So, yeah, let's give him a round of applause. So, yeah, guys, we are here on Hatching Simulator 3, okay? But, yeah, so there is a lot of stuff going down in this game. The update is sick. It's a Christmas update right now. There's a Christmas quest, and that's probably why you guys clicked on this video, because I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on all of the things. I'm pretty sure that's all of them. But yeah, guys. So yeah, we're gonna be showing you all of that. I have hopefully all of it. And once you complete the Christmas quest, supposedly these are rumors, but you get this like super cool secret pet. It's limited as well. So yeah, why not check that out? So yeah, boys. Me and Reverse put a lot of work into this. We walked around the map for like hours yesterday, just looking around to find all of the secret coding. There'll be a picture up on screen of my notebook, my detective notebook, boys. It's official. I'm a detective. No one? Okay. Anyway, but yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure all of you guys are probably watching this to like get the codes and stuff. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I do want to say that there is grinding involved. So if you guys are not the type of that to grind, you might want to just click off right now. But if you guys are down to grind, then yeah, stay and watch this video. And you guys might just be watching because you love my content. Cricket. Okay, cricket noise. Anyway, but yeah, notification shout out is on screen right now. Thank you so much for commenting hashtag notification squad or stage show army. But yeah, guys, so we're going to be starting off with the first code right now. I've already redeemed this because I accidentally messed up the first time I recorded this. So yeah, give me a break. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and type it in right now. All right, just like that, guys, you're going to click redeem. Code invalid or already redeemed. So yeah, I already redeemed it. Okay, to prove that, if you just type in a random code just like this, boom, just like that, it'll say it literally doesn't do anything. So yeah, that's how you know if it's like legit or not. So yeah, it's obviously not invalid. It's code already redeemed. So yeah, boys, I'm gonna go ahead and just start off by I grinded this game for 1 trillion coins because I saw in the shop that there is this like cool pet. So yeah, I did want to cop that just because it might help me. So yeah, let's buy that real quick. All right, we bought that. That's all I wanted to buy real quick. All right. But yeah, guys, so I do have a pretty nice team. So there is actually a lot of codes in this update that is really sick. So yeah, boys, we got a really nice team going on right now. So yeah, I'm definitely really excited. I put a lot of work into this. So yeah. But yeah, this looks pretty good. All right. So yeah, boys, but we're going to go ahead and hop right into it. So yeah, you know what? Enjoy the video, guys, and yeah, roll the clip. Also, game link will be in the description. But yeah, guys, the first thing you're going to start off with is when you spawn in, there's going to be this event land. All right, guys. So yeah, just gonna go in this, guys. So yeah, so the first thing that Reverse DM me was like, yo, this Christmas update is late, you should definitely record on it, please. He didn't say please, but yeah, he definitely told me about it. And yeah, so shout out to Reverse, the homie. So yeah, I was just going around the map looking for things, and then yeah, so the first thing that I noticed that was really cool is code 2I letters equip 4 letters. So yeah, guys, that keep in mind of that. Can we get a close up on it, guys? Keep in mind. All right, just have that in your brains right now, guys. So yeah, it's gonna make a lot of sense for the notepad. If you guys remember in the very beginning of the video, the intro, the notepad, okay, has something to do with this, guys. So yeah, there's a bunch of locations around the map of hidden encoded text. So yeah, guys, let's go to all of them right now. So we're gonna start off with the first one. So yeah, let's go right over to this right now, boys. All right, guys, so right here is the first one. It's D.void gift, guys. That is the first one, okay? That is the first one me and Reverse found, and I was, like, super excited, and, like, we were like, yo, that's awesome. I really like how this is cool, and, yeah, it was just really cool to see. So, yeah, guys, that is the first one. If you guys want to pause the video, write it down, do so. So, yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. So, then we were walking around a little bit more, and then I noticed that there was something on the back of here, and it says B.IceAngel, guys. So, if you guys don't already know, in the Christmas update, these are pets, guys. So, yeah, we started to get a little bit suspicious, and, you know, we started to think a little bit, okay. So, yeah, guys, so, basically, all right, so the next one we found out about was we were walking around the eggs and stuff, and then we saw this one, so it's Xmas Fabuki. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. So I.Xmas Fabuki. So yeah, that is the first eye, and then the other eye is right over here, guys. So yeah, let's go right there right now, boys. So the other eye is right here on the ground, boys. It's I feet nothing, and so yeah. that is where we get one of the first codes in the video, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and type it in right now. So let me explain before I do though. So you put both of the eyes together, guys. It's Xmas Fabuki feet nothing. All right, so yeah, that is actually one of the first codes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and type it in right now, guys, just to prove to you guys. So yeah, let's go and do that right now. So just like this, I gotta do it right. Xmas. Hopefully do it first try because it is a pretty long type, if I do say so myself. All right, that's good so far, hopefully, and I'm not typing anything wrong. All right. Just like that, guys. So yeah, hopefully that's right. All right, so then guys, we figured that out. Rebirth figured that out. I didn't have anything to do with that, but yeah, click redeem. Code successfully redeemed. So yeah, I'm pretty sure if you guys go over here, this is the gift thing, the quest, the Christmas quest. So yeah, click this Xmas quest. So yeah, we just found out the secret code, guys. So that is the secret code. So yeah, boys. So if you guys see this over here, the snow key. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be explaining in the next clip. So yeah, let's hop on over to the next clip, boys. Alright guys, so yeah, Rebirth told me about this one. I did not find this one at all. Rebirth helped me with this. So yeah guys, if you go to this cabin right here, it's next to the huge snowman where you claim like a free gift. Okay, so if you go to that right here, guys, you don't want to open this because it's gonna just say here's like a gift. You're gonna jump. Alright, I messed up. So yeah, we're gonna have to click watch this. So yeah, skip, and then here's your gift, skip. Done. All right, so then you're gonna go in here, boys, and yeah, you'll see the key right here. So you're actually not gonna be able to pick it up, sadly, but you do click it, guys. So if you do not have it already, please don't make me open it. All right, so yeah, guys, so you're then once you grab that, you didn't actually pick it up, but yeah, you have it, guys. So then this is it right here, the festive land. That's how you unlock the festive land, which you'll need later on in the tutorial. So yeah, that's how you unlock this land, guys. So yeah, just keep paying attention. So yeah, if you guys think I'm talking too fast, just pause the video and write it down, guys. So yeah, that is when we were like, well, we couldn't find any more letters. It said equipped 4 letters, as you guys saw over here on the wall. It says equipped. It's like SI and then equipped 4 letters. So yeah, guys, that's what we were struggling to figure out. Okay, so yeah, we couldn't find any more in this island except for this little secret. Another little code that was on a doormat. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So if you guys come over here, boys, right here, this is greenhouse. I don't know what kind of gingerbread house is green, but if you guys actually look on the doormat, boys, no one's gonna think that's a code. You're just gonna think it's like a welcome doormat. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna type that one in right now. So, oh man, my voice is starting to hurt already. It's not all caps, I don't think, but it might be. I'm gonna go with all caps first. I don't know what this says, but yeah, 3, 2, 1, click redeem. Code successfully redeemed. So yeah, if you guys go back over to the Christmas quest, I'm gonna take a little shortcut because I don't feel like walking all the way back. Am I too fat? All right. So yeah, if you guys go back over here, you will see that you completed this. All right. So yeah, boys. So yeah. Also, just a little thing right here. If you guys do see this already, this is also a code. So yeah, it's basically just a little, thing. But yeah, you're going to go ahead and click this real quick. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this right now, boys. All right. I'm going to go ahead and type it in for you guys. It's literally just irk. It's very, very simple. It's just a little thing that we saw. Rebirth found this one out. I don't know if he was the first one or not. So yeah, I'm not going to call that. But yeah, so you're just going to do that. Type that, boys. And then click redeem. Wait, was that not it? Of course, I didn't write this one down. Freak. It's literally irk. Hold on. ERK. I'm pretty sure there's a space. I don't know why. Is there not a space? Code successfully redeemed. All right, so there's not a space, guys. Keep in mind there's not a space. So yeah, that will complete the irk, guys. So now all you need is this. And also, keep in mind the pets that, if I didn't tell you guys. So, yeah, we're going to need 10 billion coins, which you're going to be getting. I'll time-lapse it, of course. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys where all of the rest. So we've already found a couple, such as the Ice Angel, the Void Gift, and one more, and it's right behind here. I forgot what it's called right here. Okay, yeah. This one's not one, but the other one over there is a pet. So then we couldn't find any more. So then we have to go back to the main island, guys. So yeah, let's do that right now. So yeah, me and Reverse were looking around in the main island, and then finally we went behind here and we saw this. So yeah, see mysterious gift, guys. So yeah, make sure to, you already know the vibes. All right, so yeah, write that down or pause it. So yeah, so then we had to look for an A, and we actually couldn't find this. So yeah, shout out to, maybe I'm not gonna say who gave it to us, but yeah. All right, so yeah, then we looked around a while, and then yeah, so this one's very sneaky, but it's A deer. So yeah, boys, that is everything right there. So yeah, roll the clip of all of the explaining. So far we have figured out the order that we need to equip it in, and so yeah, guys, you're gonna start off with A, B, C, and D, guys. So yeah, you're gonna start off by equipping the deer. So yeah, you guys can acquire this from this egg, and it is literally the common. So yeah, all you gotta do is get that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and equip the deer first. Even though it starts with a D, guys, that is the A dot deer. So yeah, you're gonna equip the deer first, okay? So yeah, I've never done this yet, so I'm really excited to see what it gives. I'm pretty sure it's the badge, but yeah, boom, we equipped that. So hopefully it works all good and we can equip the certain amount of pets. I've been having trouble on Xbox lately equipping the pets. So yeah, after A, you're gonna go to B, and the Ice Angel is going to be located in the just the Xmas land. So yeah, we're gonna show you guys where that is right now. The Xmas land, boys, is right here. So yeah, this doesn't take grinding because it is the legendary. So you're gonna have to take some grinding, but you literally can just, if you have auto hatch, I'm pretty sure everyone does if they played Apex Simulator or bought it in Apex. I'm not sure, but yeah, you guys have that. It definitely will help you guys auto hatch and then have a triple hatch on. So yeah, guys, it's 0.5% chance. So it's like 500 eggs or something, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so yeah, you're gonna get that, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and equip that one. I'm not sure what happens if you do it in the wrong order. So yeah, hopefully we don't. So yeah, I gotta find the Ice Angel. We're gonna equip one of those, guys. So yeah, after we got that, the next one is, we did A, B, guys. Now we need C. So the mysterious gift, guys. The mysterious gift, all right, let me check. I don't want to mess up this thing. I would really feel retarded if I did. Okay, yeah, so guys, this mysterious gift, I'm going to show you where, guys, that is located. That's where the snow key comes in handy. So that's why you guys need to unlock this island. So yeah, you got to have this island unlocked. Now, guys, bear with me here. This is really going to take grinding, okay? It took me a really long time, guys. It's 0.1% chance, so it's 10,000 eggs probably. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and equip that one. So yeah, we're going to equip the mysterious gift, guys. All right, right here, guys, mysterious gift, equip. All right. The last one, guys, is the void gift. So yeah, we're going to head back over to the Xmas land, guys, for the last one, to this whole ritual. Guys, ritual. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so yeah, the last thing is the void gift, guys, and it is in this one. So they're basically all legendary. So yeah, I didn't think I got this one, so I didn't even know. Like, off camera, I felt so dumb because it usually is just all black, but now it has a white stripe. So yeah, the void gift is very mysterious, and I didn't even notice I got it. So yeah, guys, make sure to pay attention to that. But yeah, then we need to equip that, and that should complete it. I'm super nervous. I hope it works. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, I did it. I did everything. What next? Is that it? I'm pretty sure that's it. That should be it, boys. So let's check right here to make sure, though. Oh, yeah, so I still need that. So, yeah, that's how you get this, guys. So, you don't actually have to equip them? Maybe? I don't know. Let me ask. Okay, we're at 9.99 billion, guys. But before I do give you basically run into one more of these, candy crate things, I'm going to give you guys the code. I almost forgot that this was a code video as well. So, yeah, I'm sorry about that. But, yeah. sorry. This is the code, boys. So sorry for all bugs. Okay, so this is pretty old because they did fix the pets thing, and they fixed a lot. Okay, wait, did I make these capital L's or lowercase? Oh, it's eyes. All right, they're lowercase. 3, 2, 1. Click enter, and then click redeem. Code successfully redeemed. But yeah, guys, that is it. All right, so this is the moment of all truth. I'm not sure what we're gonna get for completing this, but yeah, this is the tutorial. So yeah, guys, this was a little bit of a longer video than what I'm used to, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so it is time. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Boom. 10 billion candies. All right, I did everything. So yeah, let's go check it and see if I have everything. Okay, guys, so unfortunately, they just haven't added it so you can complete it yet. So yeah, this hopefully will be fixed. I'm definitely gonna send this to Sonova and yeah, see if they'll fix that for us. But yeah, guys, other than that, that is all of these steps you guys need to know. It does take a little bit of grinding, sadly, but yeah, I believe in you guys. So yeah, make sure to hit the like button if you guys did enjoy it and if it did help you. And yeah, boys, that has been today's video. Hope you guys do enjoy, the videos. And as always, stay chill. Peace out, guys.